Before diving into each principle, let's start by setting the stage. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, offers profound insights into resilience, self-mastery, and inner peace. Central to Stoic teachings is the importance of self-discipline, both of mind and behavior. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, captured this beautifully in his Meditations, sharing his personal reflections on life and wisdom. In this video, we'll uncover 10 powerful Stoic principles to help you build self-discipline, all drawn from the lessons of Marcus Aurelius. 1. Focus on what you can control. Marcus Aurelius constantly reminded himself of this core principle. We must accept that we don't control everything. In his words, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stoics believe that many aspects of life are simply outside our influence. Other people's opinions, past mistakes, or even unforeseen challenges. But within every circumstance lies a choice: how we respond. Cultivating self-discipline starts here by refusing to waste energy on what we can't change. Instead, redirect focus onto actions we can control: our thoughts, emotions, and responses. Accepting this difference liberates us from overthinking and anxiety, especially in difficult times. Rather than dwelling on setbacks, look for ways to shift perspective. For instance, if a colleague criticizes you, resist the urge to react defensively or dwell on their words. Take a disciplined approach. Use feedback as an opportunity for growth, or let it go if it's unconstructive. With this mindset, you actively strengthen self-discipline. Marcus Aurelius viewed life's trials as chances to practice virtues. When you focus on what's within your control, you pave the way for mental resilience, clarity, and inner peace. 2. Embrace voluntary discomfort. Stoicism teaches us to welcome discomfort as a means of growth. Marcus Aurelius encouraged practicing hardships to prepare for inevitable challenges in life. Embracing voluntary discomfort, like taking cold showers, waking up early, or setting rigorous schedules, helps build resilience and self-control. The more we practice enduring discomfort voluntarily, the more capable we become of handling unexpected hardships. Modern distractions and conveniences often tempt us away from discipline, but by choosing controlled hardships, you train yourself to stay focused, patient, and resilient. Marcus Aurelius believed in cultivating a fortified mind, resilient and unshaken by difficulties. Practicing voluntary discomfort doesn't just make us stronger, it instills a sense of gratitude for life's simpler moments and greater endurance for the tough ones. Ultimately, by welcoming discomfort, you'll discover how strong you truly are. 3. Align actions with values. For Stoics, living with integrity is essential. Marcus Aurelius stressed that every decision should reflect our core values, aligning our actions with our character. Self-discipline means prioritizing purpose over pleasure, resisting short-term temptations for long-term fulfillment. Ask yourself, are your actions aligned with your values, or are you letting impulses guide you? Reflect on personal goals or commitments, like prioritizing health or becoming a better friend. The disciplined path may involve sacrifices, but these sacrifices reinforce character and inner peace. Every decision either strengthens or weakens your commitment to self-discipline. When your actions are aligned with your values, you avoid the chaos of conflicting desires. This principle creates clarity and consistency in all areas of life, allowing you to embody your values with every decision. 4. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Self-discipline thrives on self-awareness. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself to reflect on his day, examining his actions, motives, and thoughts. Daily mindfulness reveals where we need to improve and self-reflection enables us to recognize patterns, adjust our approach, and realign with our goals. Mindfulness doesn't require hours of meditation. It's simply taking a few moments to notice thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Practicing mindfulness allows us to catch impulses before acting on them. Self-reflection, on the other hand, requires examining choices at the end of each day, honestly asking where discipline faltered or where improvements can be made. As you develop this habit, you'll notice a gradual shift toward intentionality and discipline. It's not about perfection, but about striving for personal growth. 5. Harness the power of routine. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of order in one's life, believing that structure cultivates discipline. A well-constructed routine minimizes the impact of distractions, helping to avoid decision fatigue and reinforcing purposeful habits. When you build a routine that aligns with your goals, you create a disciplined life almost effortlessly. Start by identifying daily goals and breaking them down into manageable tasks. A morning routine might involve exercise, reading, and goal setting. An evening routine might include reviewing your day and preparing for the next. By adhering to a structured routine, you're more likely to follow through on commitments, enhancing both productivity and self-discipline. Over time, these routines shape who you are, transforming discipline from a chore into a natural part of life. 6. Cultivate inner strength against external praise or blame. The Stoics warned against letting external validation control your self-worth. Marcus Aurelius believed that real strength comes from within, not from others' opinions. Self-discipline requires that we don't let praise or criticism derail us from our path. Seeking approval or fearing rejection is natural, but can undermine discipline. If you're constantly adapting to others' opinions, your focus shifts from personal goals to pleasing others. Marcus emphasized that virtue lies in doing what's right, regardless of others' perceptions. The more you rely on internal standards, the stronger your self-discipline becomes. Remember, praise and blame are fleeting, but inner strength endures. 7. Develop patience and resist immediate gratification. In his reflections, Marcus Aurelius frequently pondered the virtue of patience. True discipline often requires waiting for meaningful outcomes and resisting short-term rewards. Patience, Marcus believed, is a fundamental strength, cultivating clarity and fortitude when facing challenging decisions. Our culture often promotes immediate gratification, whether through instant messages, on-demand streaming, or convenience-focused apps. But self-discipline means valuing delayed rewards over temporary satisfaction. When you resist these impulses, you demonstrate to yourself that you're in control. Patience in daily choices trains you to hold out for what truly matters, reinforcing a disciplined mindset that's resilient, focused, and purpose-driven. 8. Accept life's transience and impermanence. A central Stoic teaching is the understanding that everything in life is temporary. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself of life's impermanence, which helped him stay grounded and disciplined. Recognizing that all experiences, joyful or painful, are temporary can help you stay committed to your principles without becoming overly attached to outcomes. By embracing life's impermanence, you gain perspective. You learn not to overreact in the face of failures or cling to fleeting successes. This acceptance of change helps you stay focused on the present and live with purpose. It strengthens your ability to approach life with calm, detached discipline, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively to whatever comes your way. 9. Exercise self-compassion. While holding yourself accountable, While Stoicism emphasizes discipline, it doesn't ignore the importance of self-compassion. Marcus Aurelius believed in striving for excellence, but also understood the need for kindness toward oneself. Practicing self-discipline doesn't mean harsh self-criticism. True discipline includes self-compassion, allowing space for mistakes as part of the growth journey. When you fall short of a goal, acknowledge it without self-judgment. Self-compassion allows you to learn from missteps rather than feel discouraged. By balancing discipline with kindness, you'll find a sustainable path to growth. This combination fosters resilience, helping you persist through challenges and bounce back stronger. 10. Live each day as if it were your last. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on mortality, reminding himself to live each day with purpose and presence. Do every act of your life as though it were the last, he advised. This mindset helps foster a profound sense of self-discipline, encouraging us to pursue what truly matters without delay or distraction. Living with mortality in mind isn't morbid. It's a call to prioritize what's important, letting go of trivial pursuits. When you see each day as precious, you're more likely to act with purpose and discipline, focusing on meaningful actions over fleeting distractions. By embracing this principle, you create a life driven by intentionality, gratitude, and true self-discipline. Through these 10 Stoic principles, Marcus Aurelius offers timeless wisdom for cultivating self-discipline. Each principle encourages us to reflect, strengthen, and commit to personal growth, fostering a life grounded in purpose and resilience. Embrace these teachings, and you'll find yourself on a journey of inner strength and peace, mastering self-discipline with the wisdom of the Stoics.